Welcome to Recom's Powerful Podcast, where we discuss new topics and products. I'm Jeff Deutschman, your product moderator. From a quarter watt up to 1,000 watts, whether the power is required for an industrial setting, a new IoT gadget, or a high-end medical-grade device, Recom has you covered. On this episode, we'll be discussing our brand new switching regulator, the R-78HE. Peter, what can you tell us about this product?
Well, Jeff, this converter is specifically targeted at 48-volt systems. It is a very unique and robust part.
So what kind of voltages does this part cover?
So this converter will output 5 volts. It can accept as low as 6.5 volts and all the way up to 72 volts.
Wow. Why are we targeting the 48-volt systems?
Well, Jeff, the industry is switching from 24 volts to 48 volts very quickly. This transition is happening due to a variety of reasons, including the automotive industry and the advancement of battery technology. We made this converter right on time, so we're prepared for the market shift.
All right. So what other type of applications should we be looking for?
So in addition to 48-volt batteries, they are suitable for industrial or motor controls, industrial automation, test equipment, and high-temperature applications.
High temperature, eh? What do the temperature specs look like for this part?
This part can operate down to negative 40 degrees Celsius and all the way up to 105 degrees Celsius at full load. If the customer has really low power requirements, they can even use this part in temperatures up to 115 degrees Celsius.
Hey, speaking of power, what can the R-78HE output?
Right, so this part can output up to 300 milliamps at 5 volts, making it a 1.5 watt power supply.
What other features make this part so robust?
The R-78HE is able to withstand a transient voltage of 100 volts. Additionally, it has short circuit protection, under voltage lockout, and overcurrent protection built in. So engineers benefit from all these features without any external components.
No heatsink required for these high temperatures?
No way. Like our other switching regulators, no heatsink or assembly is required. Our part is efficient, so they don't waste too much heat during operation.
Very nice. What about the footprint?
Yeah, so this is a SIP3 through-hole component. It has a very small footprint of 11.5 by 8.5 millimeters. This package comes fully potted, so it's protected against dirt, moisture, and corrosive gases.
Right. So it's easy to replace an old-fashioned linear regulator with one of Recom's switching regulators, correct?
Yep, that's right, Jeff. It's a newer and all-around better regulator that can fit into the same socket as many linear regulators.
Oh, all right then. What's the bad news? Does this part come with a higher price tag?
The R-78HE is actually price comparable to our standard R-78s, and considering how strong the specs are, I'd say it's a pretty low-cost solution.
Fantastic. Well, that wraps it up for another episode of Recom's Powerful Podcast. Be sure to listen next time when we delve into the pros of another Recom topic. As always, please contact your regional sales manager for any samples or pricing. Our applications engineers are always happy to assist you with any technical questions or requests. You can email them at techsupport@recom-power.com. Until then, have a great day, and always remember,
Recom powers your products.